Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English World Channel. I'm Emily. I'm really glad you're here today. You don't need to do anything, just listen.
Hey, Emily, and hello to everyone listening. It feels good to be back again, like sitting somewhere familiar, calm, and easy.
Yes, that calm feeling matters. This is a space where English feels simple, no pressure, no perfect speaking.
Exactly. You don't need confidence first. You can just listen slowly. That's enough.
Today, we're practicing daily use English sentences, the kind people say every day.
Short, simple, very real.
You'll hear each sentence clearly, more than once, and with examples.
Only one voice will guide you during the sentence practice, so it stays calm and clear.
You can pause, you can repeat, or you can just listen.
All right. When you're ready,
Let's begin with the first sentence. Come quickly. Come quickly. Sometimes we use this sentence when something is urgent and we need someone to move fast. For example, you are at home and your friend is outside. You say, "Come quickly, I need your help." Who is there? Who is there? We use this sentence when we hear a sound and want to know who is present. For example, someone knocks at the door. You ask, "Who is there?" Go there. Go there. We use this sentence to tell someone to move to another place. For example, you are giving directions. You say, "Go there and wait for me." I can't believe it. I can't believe it. We use this sentence when something feels surprising or hard to accept. For example, your friend shares big news. You respond, "I can't believe it." Wait a moment. Wait a moment. We use this sentence when we need a little time before continuing. For example, you are busy right now. You say, "Wait a moment, I'll come soon." Come here. Come here. We use this sentence to ask someone to move closer to us. For example, you want to show something. You say, "Come here, look at this." What happened? What happened? We use this sentence when we notice something unusual and want to understand it. For example, your friend looks upset. You ask, "What happened?" Take it easy. Take it easy. We use this sentence to tell someone to relax or slow down. For example, someone feels stressed. You say, "Take it easy. Everything is okay." I don't understand. I don't understand. We use this sentence when something is unclear and we need more explanation. For example, the instructions are confusing. You say, "I don't understand." Let's go. Let's go. We use this sentence when we are ready to leave or begin something. For example, everyone is waiting. You say, "Let's go." Please sit down. Please sit down. We use this sentence to politely ask someone to take a seat. For example, a guest arrives at your home. You say, "Please sit down." Hold on. Hold on. We use this sentence when we need someone to wait for a short time. For example, you are on the phone. You say, "Hold on, I'll be right back." What do you mean? What do you mean? We use this sentence when something is unclear and we need more explanation. For example, your friend says something confusing. You ask, "What do you mean?" It's okay. It's okay. We use this sentence to comfort someone or show there is no problem. For example, someone makes a small mistake. You say, "It's okay, don't worry." I'll be back. I'll be back. We use this sentence when we leave for a short time and plan to return. For example, you step out of the room. You say, "I'll be back in a minute." What time is it? What time is it? We use this sentence when we want to know the current time. For example, you are late for a meeting. You ask, "What time is it?" Be careful. Be careful. We use this sentence to warn someone about danger. For example, the floor is wet. You say, "Be careful." I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We use this sentence to apologize or show regret. For example, you arrive late. You say, "I'm sorry for being late." What's going on? What's going on? We use this sentence when something feels unusual and we want to understand it. For example, people are talking loudly. You ask, "What's going on?" That's enough. That's enough. We use this sentence to stop something politely or firmly. For example, someone keeps arguing. You say, "That's enough." Come with me. Come with me. We use this sentence when we want someone to join us. For example, you are going to another room. You say, "Come with me." What are you doing? What are you doing? We use this sentence to ask about someone's current activity. For example, your friend looks busy. You ask, "What are you doing?" I don't know. I don't know. We use this sentence when we do not have the answer. For example, someone asks a question. You reply, "I don't know." That's right. That's right. We use this sentence to say something is correct. For example, your friend gives the right answer. You say, "That's right." Let me check. Let me check. We use this sentence when we need time to look at something. For example, someone asks for information. You say, "Let me check." What do you want? What do you want? Ask, "What do you want?" It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We use this sentence when something is not important to us. For example, someone asks for your preference. You say, "It doesn't matter." I need help. I need help. We use this sentence when we cannot do something alone. For example, you feel confused. You say, "I need help."
Please be quiet. Please be quiet. We use this sentence to politely ask someone to stop making noise. For example, people are talking loudly. You say, "Please be quiet." That's fine. That's fine. We use this sentence to show agreement or acceptance. For example, someone suggests a plan. You say, "That's fine." Sit down. Sit down. We use this sentence to ask someone to take a seat. For example, someone looks tired. You say, "Sit down." Stand up. Stand up. We use this sentence to ask someone to rise from sitting. For example, the teacher enters the room. You say, "Stand up." I'm ready. I'm ready. We use this sentence to show we are prepared. For example, everyone is waiting. You say, "I'm ready." Take care. Take care. We use this sentence to wish someone well. For example, someone is leaving. You say, "Take care." What do you think? What do you think? We use this sentence to ask for someone's opinion. For example, you discuss an idea. You ask, "What do you think?"
I don't remember. I don't remember. We use this sentence when something is not clear in our memory. For example, someone asks about the past. You say, "I don't remember." See you later. See you later. We used this sentence to say goodbye informally. For example, you leave work. You say, "See you later." Please sit. Please sit. We use this sentence to politely ask someone to sit down. For example, a guest arrives. You say, "Please sit." I'm coming. I'm coming. We use this sentence to tell someone we are on the way. For example, someone calls your name. You reply, "I'm coming." Just a second. Just a second. We use this sentence when we need a little time. For example, you are busy for a moment. You say, "Just a second." What's wrong? What's wrong? We use this sentence to notice something is not okay. For example, your friend looks upset. You ask, "What's wrong?" I think so. I think so. We use this sentence when we are not fully sure. For example, someone asks a question. You answer, "I think so." Of course.
of course. We use this sentence to agree politely and clearly. For example, someone asks for help. You say, of course. Hold on. Hold on. We use this sentence to ask someone to wait briefly. For example, you need to check something. You say, hold on. Good luck. Good luck. We use this sentence to wish someone success. For example, you have an interview. You say, good luck. No problem. No problem. We use this sentence to say something is okay. For example, someone says thank you. You reply, no problem. I agree. I agree. We use this sentence to show the same opinion. For example, someone shares an idea. You say, I agree. Not now. Not now. We use this sentence to say this is not the right time. For example, you are busy. You say, not now. It depends. It depends. We use this sentence when the answer is not simple. For example, someone asks a question. You say, it depends. Never mind. Never mind. We use this sentence to move on or cancel something. For example, you change your mind. You say, never mind.